Good day, everyone. This is Urobo language. Let's make sentence with upper body in Urobo language. This is my neck. Onana ohori me. This is my shoulder. Onana igabo me. This is my chest. Onana udu me. This is my back. Onana obuko me. This is my skin. Onana ohoro me. This is my arm. Onana ugbobo me. This is my elbow. Onana egrobo me. I use my hand to write. Ubo me oyin mewo sie ebi. This is my finger. Onana uriobo me. This is my fingernails. Onana ififabo me. Thank you.